Hello everyone, I hope you all remember that in the previous class we are in the lesson of the rise of British political supremacy. What is the lesson name? The rise of British political supremacy. As a part of that lesson, in the previous video we discussed the information related to Battle of Buxar, when it will take place in the year 1764. The Battle of Buxar taken place. So today we are here to discuss some more important battles that took place in India in order to increase the British political supremacy. The British political supremacy, which are nothing but Carnatic Wars. So, what is the topic today? Carnatic Wars. Carnatic Wars 1746 to 1763. The Carnatic was taken place in India in between 1746 to 1763. Before discussing about this Carnatic Wars, first of all, what is Carnatic region? My question is, what is Carnatic region? What is Carnatic region? According to British, the eastern part of Tamil Nadu, eastern part of Tamil Nadu we can say that the eastern part of Tamil Nadu, or else the Coromandel region, or what we can say that interlinked place, the combined place of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The combined place of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, that is considered as Carnatic region. So if the question may ask what is Carnatic region means, you have to write answer. According to Britishers, the eastern part of which state? The eastern part of Tamil Nadu, or else the Coromandel region in India, that is considered Carnatic region. So what is Coromandel region? The Coromandel region. So this is western coastal line, this is eastern coastal line. The eastern coastal line is considered as, this shaded area is considered as Coromandel region. So, and also I told you the eastern part of Tamil Nadu, here Tamil Nadu, right? The interlinked place in between Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, that is considered as Coromandel region, or else that is considered as Carnatic region according to Britishers. So now, what are Carnatic wars? These are the frequent wars taken place in between British and French. The war took place, the frequent battles took place between British. The frequent battle took place between British and French in order to gain monopoly. Monopoly means what? A single authority on trade. So the if the question may ask what are Carnatic wars means, you have to write answer. The frequent battles took place between British and French in order to gain monopoly over Carnatic region, that is known as Carnatic wars. So here the war took place in between whom here? The British as well as French. The British and the French. Here the important point you must remember. So these wars started in the year 1746 and it will be continued until 1763. 1746 it was started and after that it will continues until 1763. There are 3 Carnatic wars. First Carnatic War. First Carnatic War. Second Carnatic War. Second Carnatic War. And finally third Carnatic War. I hope you are all clear, children. So here I told to you 1746 to 1763, right? How many Carnatic wars totally? There are 3 Carnatic wars. The first Carnatic War, second Carnatic War, third Carnatic War. Here the important key points you must remember. Every war ended with one treaty. So the end of every war will be concluded with one treaty. Treaty is nothing but agreement in order to stop the war. In the same manner, the treaties of these 3 Carnatic wars you must remember. Treaties, very important. First Carnatic War, Ekis. Ekisla-Chapel Treaty. Ekisla-Chapel. See, just listen clearly how I am pronouncing. Ekisla-Chapel Treaty. Ekisla-Chapel Treaty. So, if the question may ask by which treaty the first Carnatic War ended, means you have to give your answer. Ekisla-Chapel Treaty. The second Carnatic War, Pondicherry Treaty. Pondicherry Treaty. The third Carnatic War, Paris Treaty. Very important information regarding to the Carnatic wars. So the first Carnatic War, Ekisla-Chapel Treaty. The second Carnatic War, Pondicherry Treaty, and the third Carnatic War will be Paris Treaty. Ekisla-Chapel, Pondicherry, Paris. First Carnatic War, Ekisla-Chapel. Second Carnatic War, Pondicherry. Third Carnatic War will be Paris Treaty. So this is all about the introduction of Carnatic wars. Again I am saying to you, what are Carnatic wars? These are frequent battles took place between British and French in order to gain monopoly. What is the meaning of the word monopoly? Monopoly. Single authority. Monopoly means single authority. In order to gain trade monopoly over Carnatic region, the battles taken place in between British and French, those are Carnatic wars. Which is considered as a Carnatic region, children here? Carnatic region means here eastern part of Tamil Nadu or Coromandel region. Yes, look at the map here. This part, the eastern part, this is considered as a Carnatic region. This is see here. After British gained power over Bengal region, they are concentrated on South India. At that time, there are some political disturbances in Carnatic region. That is the reason why they concentrated initially on Carnatic region. At that time, the major enemy for the British, major competent to the British, who are they? They are French only. So that's what the reason why these are the battles in between British and French. So after we get to know about the introduction of Carnatic region and Carnatic wars, let us move on to the first Carnatic war. First Carnatic war. I told to you how many Carnatic wars taken place? 3. First Carnatic war, second Carnatic war, third Carnatic war. So here first Carnatic war, 1746 to 1748. The first Carnatic war took place in between British and French. Remember, Carnatic wars means here majorly between whom? British and French. You need to remember this word. This is the common for 3 wars also. British and French. So here first Carnatic. First of all, what are the reasons for this war? What are the reasons? The first reason is competition between British and French. The first reason is the competition between British and French. And second reason, the war broke out between British and French. The war broke out in between British and French in Europe, not in India. In Europe, for succession of Austria. For the succession of Austria. I hope you are clear. What are the major reasons for the first Carnatic war? Means the competition between British and French. That is the one foremost important reason. The second reason is the war broke out between British and French in India, not where? In Europe. For what purpose? What happened here actually? For the succession of Austria. Austria is a country, right? In order to capture that country, the both countries are fought together in Europe. That is also one of the main reason for the enmity in India in between British and French. These are the major important reasons for the first Carnatic war. Now, what happened here? After we get to know the major reasons for the war, what happened? What happened in between 1746 and 1748? First of all, Arcot. Arcot is a place. It is a capital of Carnatic region. You are clear, right? The first point what here? Now we are discussing the structure of first Carnatic war. What happened in between 1746 and 1748? Now, Arcot is a place. That is the capital of what? That is the capital of a Carnatic region. Already we know what is Carnatic region, right? Now, this Arcot was ruled by Anvaruddin. Anvaruddin is a Nawab. Nawab of Carnatic region. Children, again I am repeating this point. Arcot, it is the capital of Carnatic region. At that time, Arcot Nawab is Anvaruddin. Anvaruddin is a Nawab. Okay. Let it be this information like this. First of all, British tried to capture Pondicherry. British tried to capture Pondicherry. Pondicherry is an important trade center of whom? Pondicherry is an important trade center of French. Important trade center. Already we know, we discussed it several times. Yes or no? Yes. So here Pondicherry, important trade center of French. Important trade center of French. British tried to capture Pondicherry, right? Which is the important trade center of French. Here what happened, you know? At that time, French Governor General. Here I am writing. Look at the point carefully. French Governor. French Governor Dupleix. French Governor Dupleix. Listen carefully. First of all, British tried to capture Pondicherry. Pondicherry is the important trade center of French. At that time, who is the French Governor General? Dupleix is the French Governor General. He captured Madras. Captured which place? Madras. Now, Madras is a important trade center. Madras is an important trade center of whom? It is an important trade center of British. Now I hope you are clear with this point. See here, British tried to capture Pondicherry, which is an important trade center of French, and after that, French Governor General Dupleix, he tried to capture Madras. Madras is an important trade center of whom? British. Now, here what happened, you know, at that time. Madras means it is related to Tamil Nadu, right? At that time, Tamil Nadu capital what? Arcot. Who is the Nawab of Arcot at that time? Anwaruddin. At that time, Britishers requested Anwaruddin for help. So now, British sought help from whom? Anwaruddin. Don't get any confusion. British taken help from Anwaruddin. Why? Because means Anwaruddin is the Nawab of Bengal. Now, Anwaruddin sent one army against to French. But here what happened, you know? The French army under the leadership of Dupleix. The French army under the leadership of Dupleix. They defeated Anwaruddin army. French army defeated Anwaruddin army. Finally, this war ended with, again I am saying, Yakisla Chapel. Yakisla Chapel Treaty. Yakisla Chapel Treaty. So, in that way, the first Carnatic War ended. So, in the year 1748, Yakisla Chapel Treaty signed in between British and French. At the same time, this treaty is very important to stop the war in between British and French in Europe also. So the war stopped in Europe in the same manner, and at the same result in India also the war stopped in between British and French. See here, again I am repeating. What is the war structure? Arcot is the capital of Carnatic region. At that time, Arcot was ruled by Anwaruddin. He is the Nawab of Carnatic region. First what happened? British tried to capture Pondicherry. Pondicherry is an important trade center of French. Pondicherry. Again I am saying Pondicherry is an important trade center of French. At that time, French Governor General Dupleix, he captured Madras. Madras is an important trade center of British. So after Dupleix captured Madras, British taken help from whom? Anwaruddin. Anwaruddin sent his army against Dupleix. Finally, what happened? You know, the French army defeated Anwaruddin army. So that's what you can say, that in the first Carnatic War, French people are victorious. They defeated Britishers as well as Anwaruddin. Whatever it may be, the war will be ended with the treaty, Aquislachapel Treaty, that was signed in the year 1748. After we discussed about the war reasons and structure, finally, after war, what happened? What is the result? Result of first Carnatic War. Result of first Carnatic. First one, Madras returned. Madras returned to British. In the war, what happened? Dupleix captured Madras, right? But after treaty, Madras again given back to Britishers. Next, French power strengthened in Arcot. So the French power increased in Arcot. This will be given appreciation. It will be bring lot of appreciation to Dupleix. Lot of appreciation to Dupleix. French, see, that's what I told you, right? In the first Carnatic War, what is the result means? The French people are upper hand, so that Dupleix appreciated by the French government. Dupleix is appreciated by French government. Now, the prisoners of both sides in war. The prisoners of both sides in war released. Prisoners means who? The people who kept in jail. See here, the French people imprisoned by the Britishers. The British soldiers are imprisoned by the British. Here, as per agreement, the French government will be released Britishers. The British government also released French prisoners. So these are the major result of first Carnatic War. What is the first result here? Madras was returned back to the British, and the French power strengthened in Arcot. This brought a lot of appreciation to Dupleix, and the prisoners of both sides in war released. So in this manner, the first Carnatic War was ended. The first Carnatic War. What are Carnatic Wars? The frequent battles took place in between British and French in order to gain monopoly over Carnatic region. What is Carnatic region? The eastern part of Tamil Nadu, that is Carnatic region. So it is all about the complete information of first Carnatic War. So this is the end of today's class, children. In the next video, again we will meet together to discuss another important wars, which are nothing but second Carnatic War as well as third Carnatic War. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.